Hello, little artists! Today we're going to draw a super tall and friendly giraffe. Are you ready? Let's go step by step. It's going to be fun!
Lines on paper start to grow. Shapes and shades begin to show. Colors blend, they start to flow, creating worlds I get to know. Sketching dreams with every stroke. In this silence, hope invokes. From a blank sheet, life awoke. In my art, I find my spoke. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every mark cuts like a knife. Drawing my
Now it's time to add some color. Let's color the body yellow or light orange and add those special brown spots everywhere. The ossicones and hooves can be brown too. Make your giraffe shine with color.
red finger here to boot play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye. Colors shine in the sky. Emily learned and played. What a fun, colorful day. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray.
like to make it sparkle, let's add a little glitter to the giraffe's spots and tail. Wow! It's magical now! Wow! Your giraffe looks fantastic! I'm so proud of you! If you had fun, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to BooBoo Productions for more fun drawings. See you next time, little artists! Bye!